Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Monday, April 11th, and these are your bell ringer problems. All right, we're going to have problems number 1 through 4 on the front here. So number 1 says draw a parallelogram. Draw a parallelogram. All right, so we're going to flip that over. A parallelogram, remember, it just has two sets of parallel sides, so it can look, this is the classic way to draw a parallelogram. But please remember that a rectangle can also be a parallelogram, and a square can also be a parallelogram because they have two sets of parallel sides. All right, number 2 today. Number 2 says make a factor tree for 36. Make a factor tree for 36. So we have to think of the numbers that we can multiply together that can equal 36. So I know that 3 and 12 equal 36. I know that 3 is prime. I know that 12 I can do 6 and 2. 2 is prime. And then I can do 2 and 3 here for 6. And so that is my factor tree for 36. All right. Next I have 28,916. 28,916 plus 37,865. 37,865. When I add these up, 6 plus 5 is 11. 6, 7, 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. 8 plus 7 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. 5, 6. So I get 66,781. All right, and then how many years are in 7 centuries? I know that 1 century equals 100 years. So 100 times 7 equals 700 years. 700 years. All right, same thing as last week. We're going to do problem number 1 on the front and problem number 1 on the back. So problem number 1 on the front, we need to write the equivalent fraction of 37 hundredths, and anytime that you get 37 out of 100, that top number just becomes the percent. So 37 out of 100 is 37%. Okay, and then on the back here, the number x represents what on the number line? Well, I know that I have 25 hundredths, I have 5 tenths, I know that it's a little bit under 5 tenths, so I have about, well, I know if I'm splitting up my 1, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 that I split it up, and so this would be 1/2